Hello, little learners. Welcome to the Learning Kids TV. Today we have a super fun and exciting quiz about farm animals just for you. Are you ready to learn and play? Let's get started with our true or false farm animal fun quiz. First question, can cows fly? True or false? False. Cows cannot fly. They are big, heavy animals that walk on four legs and live on the ground. They give us milk and say moo. Great job. Next question. Do ducks have webbed feet? True or false? True. Ducks have webbed feet. Their feet are specially designed with skin between the toes to help them swim easily in water. Quack! Quack! Well done! Do sheep say moo? True or false? False! Sheep say baa. They have fluffy wool and are often found grazing in fields. Baa! You're doing great! Do horses have four legs? True or false? True. Horses have four strong legs that help them run fast and carry heavy loads. Nay, nay. Excellent. Can pigs swim? True or false? True. Pigs can swim. They are actually good swimmers and love to cool off in the water, especially on hot days. Oink, oink. Fantastic. Do roosters lay eggs? True or false? False. Roosters do not lay eggs because they are male chickens. Only hens, the female chickens, lay eggs. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Great job. Do goats have beards? True or false? True. Many goats have beards. Both male and female goats can have beards, but it's more common in males. Ma! Ma! You're doing awesome! Do geese only eat meat? True or false? False! Geese are herbivores, which means they eat plants. They love to eat grass, seeds, and grains. Honk, honk! You're so smart. Do rabbits lay eggs? True or false? False! Rabbits do not lay eggs. They give birth to live baby rabbits called kits. Hop, hop! Amazing! Do donkeys say hee-haw? True or false? True. Donkeys have strong voices and say hee-haw. They are great helpers on the farm. Hee-haw. Wonderful job. Great job, little learners. You did amazing.
Thank you.
We hope you had fun learning fun facts about farm animals. Remember to practice your trivia skills every day. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Learning Kids TV for more fun learning adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.